Okay, today we are going to basically open up the Elecom screen protector for drawing. This is not the Bond one. Bond one is pink. This is the green one, which has a slightly rougher surface compared to the Bond one. So this is the one using Nano suction. So it's removable, and they say it's made in Japan, but I don't really know. Hopefully it is. So let's go. This is for the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. You should be able to use it up to the 5th generation. And if you just make sure that when you take it out that you follow directions, it is saying that you should take out the film towards you. So don't do it wrong. I guess they kind of don't want you to accidentally bend it, which makes sense, because then you're going to get some kinks and stuff. And here it is. Now the top is basically our beautiful removable screen protector. So there we go. Clear. Not bad. And we also have the handy file folder that we will need to actually put it in so that it will be protected. So let's actually put this on. Let's see here. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually start taking the sides off. As you can see, there's 2 tabs on the sides. Now, when you do take these off, when I took these off, it was very delicate, so please be careful. The only thing that you should be able to take off should be the clear plastic covering for that, so that you won't, hurt it. If you listen to the ASMR version of this, you can actually hear the suction cups actually coming off. The other side was kind of weird, so I highly cautioned you to be careful when you take these off. They are quite delicate. You just don't, the only reason why is because this one got stuck with the suction cup, and I was about to accidentally almost remove the suctions. So I had to try to make sure that the black part stays down. You don't want to take off the black part. You want to make sure to take off the clear part only. And there we go. Ta-da! So that's done. It's now time to put it on, but my iPad is very dirty. I need to go clean this, so let's do some wiping and take out some glass cleaner. I'm using actually eyeglass cleaner, so just a little bit, not too much. I don't want it to damage anything. And here we go. So the first time, this is actually very easy to put on. I put it on like within 2 times, and it was very easy to put on and take off. Right now here we are trying to test it with notes. I am just taking notes with this. And I'm going to be quiet, and you guys can listen to how much you can hear from the actual iPad when I'm writing. So basically that's how it sounds, and as you can see, there is a kind of ghost-like effect when you have the black onto white. So when you want to do videos on this or anything like that, you want to take it off. You want to also make sure that when you're doing this on video, you probably want to take this off due to the frosting, as it is kind of blurry. If it's on the white and black white background with black, it's not so bad. Now, if you want to see this, in slow motion, you can actually watch this from the ASMR. Because you can actually hear it better. You can also see all of the products better, part of it, where you can see the actual box if you need to see it up close, and all of its directions up close. Basically, it's in 4K, so you can actually take a look at it as though it's in front of you. As you can see, I'm actually sketching this out. This has actually helped out with my sketching a little bit more. I'm not the best artist, but I do not feel like I'm slipping and sliding. I feel like I have more control on the iPad. I'm actually enjoying the process of drawing on the iPad more. This is also, you have to understand, I like using my Wacom, not Wacom tablet, but the Wacom big screen 22 HD. And that actually has been a lifesaver for me when I'm working on Clip Studio Paint, and I was trying to bring Clip Studio Paint with me without having to bring the Wacom. So that's why I wanted to see if I could use a screen protector to help me out not slipping and sliding. And this actually has been much more enjoyable to draw on due to the fact that I'm not slipping and sliding. I have more control in my drawing. I do feel like I'm drawing on paper. There are times when there's certain sections I'm slipping that could just be because of my pen, or I don't really know, but we'll see, because I'm gonna try this out over time and see what happens. But we'll update. Check out the ASMR version.